we're gonna unpack the Elgato ring light. Too big. Okay, first thing we see is the instruction plate. This is how you set up the ring light itself. Here we got like a lot of different contacts for in the power supply. We've got the power supply, so you can put one on here, and now it's a hole. This is the ball head for, oh, apparently it was wrapped in these wire holders for the cables. But this is the ball head for the top of the mount. And it's included with one phone holder. Okay, this is the light. And this is where we can put the ball head on. And we can put our camera on here, or we can attach this thing. And now we can attach our phone here. We seem to be able to attach a tripod on the bottom. There's an on-off switch here as well. And plus and minus buttons here on the side. This ring light itself comes with built-in diffusion, so you do not need any diffuser for it. Then we have a little warranty guide. And right here is the mount. So you can attach this part to the table, and this you can attach on the bottom of the ring light. Just like that. We can turn it around. We can also turn the phone around. And we can make it go higher or lower. The pole seems to be less high than the one that you get with the normal key light. So again, what's included? A little warranty guide, different contacts for the power supply, wire straps, pole, the ring light itself, a mount for your phone, and a ball head for your camera or for the phone mount. And we got a giant manual! Yeah, that's it.